Hi again everyone, and I hope you're having a great day as always, and welcome again to another Hot Wheels unboxing and review. And this time we will take a closer look at this beautiful car from Hot Wheels. So this is a 2017 release, so this is a little bit of a throwback. And this is from their Factory Fresh series, and this is the third car out of that series. So this is the Custom Datsun 240Z. Now if I'm not mistaken, this one has different color schemes. There's the white version and some other colors, and today we will review the orange version of the Datsun 240Z. Now a little bit of info. In real life, the Datsun 240Z was released in Japan around 1969 to around 1978, and it is also stated here, the back of the card. So it's not born in 1969, so it was made in Kanagawa, Japan, and it was designed by Nissan. So it's cool that the card has some details about the car, the back of the card. So this one is from the encase. Now I really like how the Datsun 240Z looks like, because it has a wide body stance, and they look like basically they look like Porsche. So let's take this out. So here's the car. So you can already see that the car looks pretty wide, and it has a low stance. So at the back it has some back tampos and details. The rear light is painted, and it has the Fugazi logo at the top right part of the, I think that is the hood or the spoiler, and at the plate it has a Grady logo. So at the side it doesn't have side tampos, and it also doesn't have front tampos, but easily fixable with some detailing. I really like how the car looks really wide. The rear of the car is wider than the front, and that's really cool. How the Datsun is designed that way, and it looks like a Porsche. Now I like the orange paint on this car better than the white version of this car. Some negatives about this car is that the moldings or the outlines isn't detailed enough. So maybe a little bit of detailing by using Sharpie will do some wonders for this car. Gonna take another closer look at the car. Really looks beautiful. So I'll try to detail the outline of the car. Now this is a Stabilo pen with a fine point. Now if you have a mistake detailing this one, you can just rub an alcohol or an acetone. The alcohol is a better fix because it's not quite strong compared to the acetone. So to detail the back, so these are some just a minor detailing job, just a detailing the outline of the car to highlight the creases more. Oops. So let's just wipe that with an alcohol. So that's it for the unboxing review and some minor detailing of the Hot Wheels Custom Datsun 240Z. Thank you for watching this video, and keep on collecting, guys. Thank you.